Bitcoin ETF have seen $10 billion traded in the last 3 days. But you have the advantage. Look, price does not go up. Number don't go up. What does that mean? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Davinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5 here in Dubai. I hope you're doing well. We're going to be, going over some news today, and then we're going to go into the TA. You know what? I've been wanting to do a chart that everybody's been asking me about. I wonder if I could do it. I'm going to try it. It's going to be the Bitcoin versus Ethereum price analysis. And we're going to be doing that in the TA section of today. So stay tuned for that as well. All right, so let's get on with the news. And remember, before I get onto the news, if you're interested in trading, you can do so at bybit.davincej15.com. Links in the description below and in the pinned comment. Okay, 9.6 billion in 3 days. ETF analysis highlights remarkable early success of Bitcoin's ETF. On Tuesday, the third day of trading for the US-based spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund, there was a noticeably increase in activity, with trading volumes around 37% from the level seen in January 12, 2024. The day concluded with the most funds slightly over 1% lower against the US dollar, with Grayscale GPT capturing the lion's share of the trading volume. All right, so yeah, all this money coming in and out of Bitcoin seems to be like, okay, why isn't the price doing anything? Because as I told you, probably don't have any Bitcoin behind that. There's a high probability, right? That's the case. And if they do have Bitcoin there, it was already there. And what they're doing is trading is an over-counter derivative. So they're probably just saying, okay, well, I already have these 1,000 Bitcoin. Oh, you want some? Here. You want some? You can have it at this price. You want some? You too? Here you go. Because I bought it up at 16,000. So, yeah. And so they're trying to unload this onto the public. And that's what's happening. That's $10 billion worth of Bitcoin. That's a whole lot of Bitcoin. A lot of Bitcoin. 1,000 Bitcoin is what, $50 million? Yeah. So, and 10,000 Bitcoins, a half a billion. And so you're talking about, 100,000, maybe, 200,000 Bitcoin, right? Maybe purchased with that 9.6 billion, but that's not the case because some people might have traded in and out of it. Okay. But before we get onto the TA, remember, you can do this trading at bybit.davincej15.com and 2bit.davincej15.com. Links are in the description below. Okay. Let's see here. We are going to look at first Bitcoin. So Bitcoin it's 4 hour is tightening up. So you can see this is not good. This is going to be a big move, either upwards or downwards. And because we are already set for, a downward movement, we most likely will head down. Now, no guarantees of that, right? Remember, the market will do whatever it wants and whenever it wants. This is Bitcoin. So, there's a high probability that this because of this topping pattern here, we are headed straight down further. There might be a little bit of a pump here to spook out any of the shorts and then dump. So please be careful of that. That could be coming into a theater near you. So this is why I still have my short open right here. Now I do have a stop. The stop loss is all the way up at 45,200. Should this go wrong, because anything can happen. Okay. Alrighty. Let's head over to Ethereum. And Ethereum, right? I had several shorts on this, and I kept screwing myself over on the shorts because I chickened out. Well, at least I profited, but still, I should have kept my shorts. But oh well, stuff happens. And look at that. Actually, I didn't even see that. It was right at the candle body for the 4 hours. So it looks like it already did a spike up. I would say from this chart, right, which Bitcoin does not look anything like this. This is headed down over, but my concern is it's headed down. My concern is this Lucid Czar. I think we want to take this out first and then head down. So I'm not going to be surprised if we come up to 2600-ish area before we go down. So keep that in mind. Okay, so I wanted to finish off with one other thing. You wanted to see TH/BTC. And so we're going to take a look at it. Ooh, look at that. I was concerned about this. And it looked like it was going to break down, especially since if we broke the bottom here, and we didn't. Wow. Last time I looked at this, it was not looking good. Like, I mean, if you see the candle bodies are, wow, this thing was breaking down heavy. And even at the wick, it looks like it was game over. And then boom, Ethereum started pumping. So let's just see if it creates a W. Boom! This can really fly, which means that Ethereum will take off to new highs. So yeah, we're looking for that. But it's going to take some time for this to translate. All right. Well, that's it for today. I know I was going to try to keep it short, but you know me. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.